Hey guys, I am here today to unbox the January 2021 God's Glory box. So this box was actually a little bit different. It did not have a clothing item in it, which was kind of unusual to me, but it was still a really good box. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. And of course I know this because I did take a little sneak peek in it just to see what was in it. So it makes it a little bit easier when you're unboxing stuff. Okay, so for the January box, we have a book. We have a cross bracelet. We have a frameable print. We have a handmade tea light candle holder and candle. And then, of course, the shareable ebooks. So I want to go ahead and show you. This is the first thing, and it is called Twined with Thee, and it is a pretty little cord bracelet with a cross on it. So that was the first thing. These are your shareable ebooks. Of course, you can always give this to a friend. Usually I send these to a friend in the mail so that they can have them. This is your little frameable print. And it says that it is a genuine dictionary page, and you can frame these, so that's cute. And then this is the little tea light holder and the handmade set. It says Matthew 5:16. So I don't think it actually says on here. It just says crafter's hand. I wish it did say the Bible verse, because now I want to know. But I'm wondering if it has something about with you are the light of the world. I'm not really sure, but it might be. So that's that. And then the last thing is the book. And this is the book, Encounters with Jesus. So that's a cute little book. So this was everything in the January box. I do have to say that I was just a little bit disappointed that it didn't have any clothing items in it, even like a hat or a pair of socks. I actually liked the pair of socks last time that I got from them, and I've been wearing those. So anyways, that was what was actually in the box. So if you want to check them out, they are godsglorybox.com, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing.